Okay, hello everybody out there. This is Fernando, also known as Mission Handy, and I want to, give you guys a really quick update of what's going on with my channel. I'm gonna be having an interview with the orphanage director, and we can ask any questions. So also you will be meeting the puppeteer of the mission ministry of To Mexico with Love, and stay tuned. Okay, thanks for staying with me. I'm gonna be visiting the orphanage director so we can ask him questions. I know a lot of you guys have questions, like what are some adoption laws, what do babies live like, what kind of nurturing do they get, or any questions you have. It's all it's all legal. You can ask me any question. I'll be there. I want to, before I go there, I want you guys to comment down the description down below, and we can together ask questions, because I don't have all the questions I want to ask. You guys do. So I want you guys to help me out and comment down below with some of the questions you would want to ask the orphanage. And when I ask the questions, what we'll do, we'll just ask those questions when we're there, and then I'll post the video, and you guys can get a lot of those questions that you guys been wondering about, to answer. Okay, now before we go any farther, I want to introduce you guys to the puppeteer. His name is Vince, and I'm actually gonna have you guys meet him right now. So here you go. Okay, thank you so much. So you guys see, that was Vince. I hope you guys liked him and enjoyed him. I hope he was funny and fun, and he's a a guy full of joy. I actually play Vince, and I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but it's a pleasure to be able to do that and have kids, even grown-ups enjoy this amazing puppet that the Lord has given me, and I just thank you guys for watching, and I'm not posting a lot of videos every day. I'm not. Mission work is slow. It's gonna speed up in a little bit, so just be patient with me. We're trying to arrange some things around here with some churches and some mission groups. We're trying to get something going. We're not slow. We practically just have a kids outreach. Vince is gonna be playing in the outreach, and I got some pastors from the States coming and visiting us, and I feel like the Lord is moving, and He's gonna move big in this ministry. Another thing we're doing is we're gonna go find more orphanages. As you guys know, I'm already visiting the director for this orphanage here. You guys seen the baby videos and stuff like that, and the Lord's put it in my heart to go find more orphanages. Orphanages are in need. As you guys saw, this orphanage, it looks pretty decent. I believe there's more orphanages out there who are in really desperate need. If you guys seen some of my videos, there's really horrible orphanages that really need the help, and that's the orphanage I'm targeting. That's the orphanage we want to target as a ministry. So that's another plans we got going on pretty soon. And so if you guys look in the description down below, you guys will see the Patreon account that will allow you guys to donate money for the ministry, to support the ministry, so it can help us, drive places, even buy things for people that they need and stuff like that. Reach out, everything costs money, hotels. I'm planning to go farther. Like I said, I'm looking to go into other orphanages and reaching out for more people, more kids, that need serious help, in other places that we can't reach because of lack of funds. So I really appreciate you guys support my channel. Everything I post, you guys will see on the Patreon account. It's like we'll have like our own little conversation there. It's like kind of like YouTube, but it's not. It's like Patreon account is like whatever I post, you guys can talk to me, I talk to you guys. It's like a more serious conversation about the ministry and what's going on. You guys can be part of it. That's another amazing thing. So thanks very much. Subscribe and like, and God bless.